Here are 3 great everyday English expressions commonly used in casual conversation. 1. Break the ice. Meaning, this phrase means to start a conversation in a way that makes everyone feel more comfortable, especially in a new or awkward situation. Example, at the party, he told a funny story to break the ice. 2. Hit the nail on the head. Meaning, this means to say or do something that is exactly right or perfectly accurate. Example, when she said the team needed better communication, she really hit the nail on the head. 3. Under the weather. Meaning, this phrase means to feel sick or unwell, usually with minor illness like a cold. Example, I think I'll skip dinner tonight. I'm feeling a bit under the weather. These expressions add color to everyday English and are great for sounding more natural in conversations.